Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about arithmetic operators in Java. So what is arithmetic operator? To do an arithmetic operation, we use arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operation? Let's say I will say here int x comma y, and I will say, let's say x plus y. If I say like this, let's say I want to say here result. If I say x plus y, then this is called operation. Okay, arithmetic operation. So this is called arithmetic operation. And here we have a plus sign, right? So this plus sign is called arithmetic operator. Okay, so this is called operators. And here we have x comma y, and these are called operands. Okay, operand. So we have different kind of arithmetic operators here. They are plus. I'm going to use here multi-line comment. Here I'm going to say, so the operators, so we have plus for the addition, we have minus for the subtraction, we have asterisk sign for the multiplication, we have this slash sign for the division, and we have modulus sign. This is called modulus for the remainder. I mean, it will actually find the remainder. Okay, remainder. So it will actually show us, I mean, give us remainder. So now let's do it one by one. I'm going to actually create here a function at first, main function, and there is public static void main. I will press tab. When you type psvm and then press tab, it will actually create you the main function. And here I'm going to keep all of them inside this method. All right, here I want to actually do go with the addition. So I'm going to say here, I'm going to comment out this. Here I'm going to say int x, then int y. I'm going to say System.out.println, and here I'm going to say the result is, here I'm going to say, let's say plus x plus y, x plus y. Here I need to give the value, so I will say 10, and then I need to give the value, let's say 5. So 10 plus 5 will be 15. Result is 15, right? Now let's go for the subtraction. So I will say copy, go for it. Now I will say x minus y, and now the result will be 5. I'll give here x slash t. Okay, x slash t. Let's go for the multiplication, then division, then modulus. So the result is, here I'm going to say x into y. So it will be the output will be what? 50, right? Here output will be 5. Here the output will be 15. Now what about the division? So the x value is 10 and y value is 5. So the result will be 2 here. And what about modulus? So let's give the sign, modulus sign here. So it will actually show us the remainder. So the remainder will be 0, right? Because 5 into 10 is equal to 10. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So let's check the output. We'll run the code now. Here you can see the output. So result is 15 for the addition. For the subtraction we have 5. For the multiplication we have 50. For the division we have 2, and for the modulus we have 0, because the remainder is 0, right? All right, so these are called arithmetic operators. I hope you understand. All right, I forgot to mention here two more arithmetic operators, and that is, one is increment, okay, this plus plus, and this is called increment. And we have another one, and this is called minus minus, this is called decrement. So what is increment? Let's say I want to increment the value. Okay, so here I will say x plus plus, so the value will be 11. Okay, y minus minus, now the y value will be 4. But here you can see I have increment it, but it will actually show me the output, I mean the increment result in the next line. Okay, so here it will actually show me 10. So this is called post increment. Post increment means the result will upgrade or update into the next line. So if I say here x plus plus, the x value will be 11, but here it will not show 11 because it will change in the next line. Okay, it will show 10. If I run this code, you can understand. Now y value will also show here 5. If I run the code, you can see, here you can see 10 5. But what about pre-increment? If you want to show the result in the same line, we have to use here pre-increment. So this is called the plus plus then variable. So if you use plus plus sign before the variable, it is called pre-increment. And if you use here pre-decrement, then here value will be 11, okay, and then the value will be 4. Okay, because this is now pre-increment. Now it will actually show me the result in the same place, I mean same line. Okay, so if I run the code, now see the result. Here you can see 11 and 4. All right, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching.